Grab your swimsuits, folks, we're about to make a splash. Welcome back to Wanderlust Worldwide, your passport to the world's most exciting destinations. Now, water parks aren't just for kids. They're places where adrenaline junkies, families, and even laid-back sunseekers can find their happy place. Slides that drop you straight into shark tanks? Check. Lazy rivers where you can drift all day? Check. Wave pools the size of football fields? Double check. Europe is absolutely stacked with world-class water parks, and today I'm counting down the top 10 you need to visit in 2025. Along the way, I'll drop some insider tips and fun trivia to make sure your trip is unforgettable. So, sunscreen on? Flip-flops ready? Let's dive right in with number 10. Number 10, Sandcastle Water Park, Blackpool, UK. We're starting off in the UK with Sandcastle Water Park in Blackpool, the country's largest indoor water park. Imagine stepping out of those chilly seaside winds and straight into a balmy 29 degrees Celsius indoor paradise. The headline attraction is the Master Blaster, the longest indoor roller coaster water slide in the world. You'll be blasted uphill, whipped around turns, and dropped into splash zones. It's a full-on adrenaline ride indoors. Fun fact, the park keeps the air and water heated to tropical levels all year round, so you could be swimming in December while snow falls outside. Travel tip: weekends and holidays can get packed. If you go midweek, you'll skip the lines and have the slides almost to yourself. Number 9. WaterWorld themed water park, Aia Napa, Cyprus. Next up, we're heading to the sun-drenched island of Cyprus. WaterWorld in Aia Napa is not just a water park, it's a Greek mythology playground. Think Zeus, Poseidon, and Aphrodite watching over you as you splash. There are more than 25 attractions, from the high-speed Fall of Icarus to a massive wave pool where you can test your balance against Poseidon's waves. The lazy river here is nearly half a kilometer long, perfect for catching your breath. Fun fact, WaterWorld has won over 30 international awards for its design and theming. It's basically a water park and a theme park rolled into one. Travel tip: Cyprus gets very hot in summer. Go in late afternoon for smaller crowds and cooler air. You'll still get plenty of Sunday. Number 8. Paphos Aphrodite Water Park, Paphos, Cyprus. Still in Cyprus? At number 8, we've got Aphrodite Water Park in Paphos. Named after the goddess of love, this park is all about laid-back family fun with a Mediterranean vibe. There's a 400-meter lazy river, over 20 slides, and a kids club that keeps little ones entertained while parents soak up some rays. The atmosphere here is relaxed, perfect if you're not looking for extreme thrills. Fun fact, Paphos is said to be the actual birthplace of Aphrodite in Greek mythology, so this park isn't just themed, it's tied to local legend. Travel tip: book your tickets online in advance for discounts, and bring reef shoes if you're visiting in peak summer. The ground gets hot enough to make you do a little dance. Number 7. Aqualand, Corfu, Greece. Sliding into number 7, it's Aqualand in Corfu, Greece, a monster of a park with more than 40 attractions. Thrill seekers head straight to the black hole, a twisting, pitch-black ride that leaves you guessing what's next. Families love the multi-lane racing slides, while the lazy river is perfect for soaking up that Greek island sunshine. Fun fact: Aqualand is one of the biggest water parks in all of Europe, covering over 75,000 square meters. It's basically a mini city of slides. Travel tip: pair your trip with a stay in Corfu town. You can explore Venetian forts in the morning, and by the afternoon, you'll be plunging into water slides. It's the best of both worlds. Number 6. Etnaland, Bel Paso, Italy. At number 6, we're in Sicily with Etnaland, a water park sitting in the shadow of Mount Etna, Europe's most active volcano. The theming is fiery, but the attractions are all about cooling down. From multi-person raft rides to speed slides and rapids, there's plenty to get your heart racing. Fun fact, Etnaland isn't just a water park. By night, it transforms into a theme park with roller coasters and rides, a 2-in-1 adventure. Travel tip: go during weekdays for smaller crowds, and definitely stick around until evening if you want to experience the theme park side too. Plus, the views of Mount Etna at sunset? Stunning. Number 5. Water Park Faliraki, Rhodes, Greece. Halfway there, and we're back in Greece, this time in Rhodes at Faliraki Water Park, the largest in the country. The vibe here is lush and sunny, with rides ranging from daredevil slides to gentle wave pools. The lazy river snakes through tropical gardens, giving it more of a resort feel than a chaotic theme park. Fun fact, this park has one of the longest kamikaze slides in Greece, perfect if you want that heart-in-your-throat free-fall feeling. Travel tip: It's only 20 minutes from Rhodes Old Town. Do yourself a favor, spend the morning wandering medieval cobblestone streets, then cool off here in the afternoon. Number 4. Palatinus Strand, Budapest, Hungary. At number 4, we've got something a little different, Palatinus Strand in Budapest. This isn't just a water park, it's also a thermal bath complex, so you can race down slides and then soak in natural hot springs. The location is amazing too, right on Margaret Island in the middle of the Danube River. Fun fact, Palatinus was actually the first outdoor bath complex in Budapest, opening way back in 1919. Today it blends old world charm with modern water park fun. Travel tip: pack both swimsuits, one for splashing and one for soaking. Oh, and try to visit in the morning, it's quieter and you'll get prime lounge spots under the trees. Number 3. Therme Bucharest, Bucharest, Romania. Taking the bronze medal is Therme Bucharest in Romania, Europe's largest wellness and entertainment center. This futuristic glass dome stays at 30 degrees Celsius all year round, making it perfect for rainy days or even snowy winter afternoons. The Galaxy Zone is a kid's dream, while adults can relax in botanical gardens, mineral pools, and saunas. Fun fact, Therme is home to over 800 palm trees and tropical plants, making it Europe's largest indoor palm forest. You'll honestly forget you're in Romania. Travel tip: go in the evening. As the lights dim, the whole dome glows with a neon vibe, perfect for photos and a more relaxed crowd. Number 2, Aquapark Istralandia, Novigrad, Croatia. At number 2, we're heading to Croatia's coast for Aquapark Istralandia, home to the Mediterranean's largest wave pool. With over 20 slides, including the 27-meter King Cobra, which looks like it's going to swallow you whole, it's a mix of family fun and pure adrenaline. Fun fact, Istralandia was voted one of the best water parks in the world by the International Association of Amusement Parks and Attractions. That's some serious recognition. Travel tip: the best time to go is late June or early September, still warm, but way less crowded than peak July, August. Number 1. Siam Park, Tenerife, Spain. And finally, number 1, the legend itself, Siam Park in Tenerife. This Thai-themed paradise is the largest water park in Europe, and honestly, it could rival any park in the world. The Tower of Power drops you down a 28-meter slide straight through a shark tank. The wave pool creates surfable waves up to 3 meters high, the biggest in the world. And kids get their own Lost City zone with endless mini-slides and adventures. Fun fact, Siam Park actually has its own private beach complete with imported white sand. You can slide all morning, then nap by the sea in the afternoon. Travel tip: buy tickets online, they sell out fast. And if you really want the VIP treatment, grab a cabana pass, which includes your own private space, food, and even champagne service. And there you have it, the top 10 European water parks for 2025. From Cyprus's mythological adventures to Spain's ultimate aquatic kingdom, these parks prove that water fun has no age limit. So tell me, are you braving the Tower of Power in Tenerife or floating down a lazy river in Greece? Drop your answer in the comments below. Don't forget to splash that like button, subscribe to Wanderlust Worldwide for more epic adventures, and ring the bell so you never miss a trip. Until next time, pack your swimsuit, bring your sense of adventure, and I'll see you at the next splash zone!